In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the butterfly to help you in Once Human. So the first thing and the first deviant you get inside Once Human is this little butterfly over here, okay? Now I'm going to go in here, and as you can see, it's called Butterfly's Emissary, okay? And what you want to do first, by default, if you only have this deviant, you will have it sync to Cradle already, but if you don't have it, you want to go to your nearest isolated securement unit, and you want to firstly sync it to your Cradle. So you want to click on F over here where it says sync to Cradle, and then confirm it, and this will automatically sync your butterfly to your Cradle. And now once you're in combat, so once you're fighting some things, what you want to do to activate it and to get it to help you, I'm going to show you, I'm going to try to show you over here. What you need to do is hold down your E key on your keyboard, and then you can decide whether you want it to auto attack, which will basically auto attack all the nearby enemies or the ones that are attacking you in the nearby area, or a designated target. And if you select a designated target, it will start attacking the target you're trying to shoot. So basically one you're shooting at and the one you're damaging, or the one that's damaging you. So if you're fighting a boss and want this butterfly to help you, this designated target one is kind of the best option. However, if you want it to attack everything nearby, you simply want to click auto attack, and it's going to start auto attacking everything nearby. Now, as you can see, this doesn't work for those friendly things in your surroundings. However, it does work for things like let's say zombies and different monsters inside the game. So yeah, as I said, what you want to do is hold down your E key and then kind of pan your mouse towards the auto attack direction or towards the designated target direction. So as you can see, it's currently loading, and once that little circle comes to the very top, as it did right this second, you can call it back. If you don't want to use it anymore though, you can simply hold on your E key, put your mouse down and recall it to Cradle, and it will reset and be able to come help you again much faster than it would if you would have just left them out. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.